My name is Lane Myers. I'm the PD Pump Product Manager here at Ampco Pumps. I just wanted to speak to you about our ZP3 pump, a new pump that has really taken off in the market with great success. And the main reason is it's the next generational pump. Through design, it's made the pump very versatile for the market. For those who really want CIP, the ZP3 is the ultimate CIP pump. There are absolutely no dead zones in this pump. Usually when you want a CIP pump, they'll take an existing pump and modify it. By doing that, you actually still have dead zones in that pump, and by making it CIP, you're machining out parts of the body that make it less efficient, up to 30%. So our ZP3 was designed for a truly CIP, but yet hold its efficiency. Also, maintenance. This pump has a front-loading seal. No longer do you have to disconnect piping and remove the rotors in the entire body. This is a front-loading seal where a one-man job can take an hour-long process into 10 minutes. The standard feature of this pump's tungsten carbide, silicon carbide seal faces, hardened seal faces. Everything is designed for maintenance ease and truly a CIP pump.